What up, you guys? So I'm on here to do a tutorial on how to create this mini loaded shaker pockets. I have to say that kind of slow. So I originally got this idea from CraftingwithLiller. I'll leave that original link down below on how to create this. She did it in a couple of minutes, but I'm going to show you how I created it using tulle and sequins to make the front like a shaker pocket. And all you have to do is also use hot glue. That's what I used, unless you guys have another type of adhesive, but I like to use hot glue. So all you're going to need is 2 sheets of 6x6 paper. I'm showing you all these. I thought I was going to show you another one that I did, but I didn't do that. Now this is all Easter themed items, but because I pre-recorded this months ago, and yeah, so you use whatever embellishments you want. So you're going to take your 2 sheets of 6x6 paper. You're going to take one and you're going to fold the ends. This one's double-sided, this one isn't. It doesn't really matter if you want it double-sided. If you have double-sided paper, you can use what you have. Anywho, so you take your pieces of, this is going to be hard to explain. Okay. It's like, you can see what I'm doing here, but you take the 2 ends of the paper, you fold it towards the center. Then I'm going to use my little bone folder thingy and score it. And then you're going to do the same thing to this one. Take the 2 ends of the paper, fold it in the center as best as you can, and bam, there you have it. Then you're going to take your whichever paper you want to be in the front. Like I want this one to be in the middle because I want that one to be in the front, I think. Like the plain one I want in the center. So I'm just going to put it in the center of the paper and fold upwards, as you can just see right there. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm really bad at explaining and using the proper words, so my apologies. Hopefully this video is self-explanatory, but I did want to do a voiceover, so I am using hot glue to adhere everything down. You guys can use whatever type of adhesives you have or want. Some people do not like to use hot glue. I don't mind it. It works pretty quick, fast. I just don't like the strings that come after it. So anywho, you see me gluing down the sides so you can make your little pockets. So bam, here you go. This is the main thing. You have 4 pockets. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take your tulle, and I'm deciding on which color I want to use, and I don't remember which one I used. I think I go with the yellow. So you're going to take your tulle, you're going to cut a piece off, and then you're going to add your sequins. Look what happened. I zoomed on in here. Well, I zoomed in so you can see what just happened to me as I was opening my little sequins thing. I got these from scrapbook.com, and I need to buy more. I need to buy more because I'm running out of pink. I know I have a lot of pink there, but I'm running low. So, and I got to buy my mom some sequins as well. So you just could do a little sequins mix, whatever colors. You can add beads. Whatever you like. So you're going to take your tulle and you're going to see that I made a few mistakes. The hot glue does dry pretty quick. I don't know what other adhesives I would use for this. Oh, maybe you can use like foam adhesive, and then you can cover it up with ribbon or sequins trim or any type of trim, rick-rack, whatever. Alright, so you're going to just take your hot glue and just do it that way. You see what I'm doing? I'm just going around the edges, trying to hot glue it, try not to touch it too much, because then I could burn my fingers off. And I'm holding it down in place. And then I'm going to add my sequins, but then a big boo-boo happened. I didn't glue it down properly or didn't use enough glue. So you're going to see what happens. I'm trying to remove, I don't know what I'm doing here. See how it came out? Well, anyway, so I just left this part in so you could see, things happen. So I'm going to add more hot glue there. And then I'm going to add my sequins back in. And then I'm going to hot glue everything down. Now, where you see the hot glue, like I mentioned before, you're going to cover everything up with, I'm going to use sequins trim. Try not to use too much sequins and try not to make it too tight, because then the shaker bits won't move around. I kind of did it a little bit tight, but that's fine. So yeah, and that's how you create a little shaker pocket with some tulle and some hot glue gun, and that's it. I'm going to decorate it very quickly here. I think I put a bunny rabbit on top of it. I do use the sequins trim like I said. I'm a little ahead of myself. So yeah, okay, so you're gonna cut off the excess tulle, and I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Yeah, you see, I'm cutting it off. Just make sure you don't go too far down because you don't want to, you know. Anyway, it's pretty on there pretty well. So you're just gonna cut everything off, and then you're just gonna add some trim to cover up that glue. So there you have it. Oh, so you see, actually, I pull a little bit of the tulle, as you can see, towards the back, and I'm hot gluing everything down, I guess to make it secure. I do cut a piece of paper and I cover that up. You'll see at the end, I think. I hope you don't hear my stomach growling. And I ate a salad. Go figure. Yes, so yeah, you see what I'm doing here? I just cut a little piece of paper and I put it back there, covered up with some hot glue, and then I think I put like handmade with love and my name. So yeah. And like I said, use whatever adhesive you may like. You do not need to use hot glue. And I'm using this trim that I got from Target. It has sequins in it. Now, I start cutting it, but don't do that if you have this. Just go. You're going to see once I glue this down, I'm going to continue and I won't cut it. I think I made one of these for Valentine's Day. I did. If I remember, I'm going to leave that link up here in the right hand corner of where the eye and the sky is, and then I'll link it down below as well. I'm tired, you guys, so if you hear me like it's because I'm tired and I'm trying to eat clean and more healthier and try to lose a couple of pounds before my mom's birthday in July. As you can see here, you see how I'm rolling everything? Okay, yeah, so I feel so like sluggish, I guess because like I'm not intaking as much calories as I used to. Anyway, I'm not on a diet. I'm just trying to eat right. No carbs for me and no soda for me. So as you can see here, I don't know why I started telling you guys this. I am not doing this voiceover again. I just use this cute little bunny rabbit girl. Like I said, you guys, make whatever theme you want. Use whatever embellishments you may like. This is just a tutorial on how to show you how to do the shaker. And just decorate however. If it's Christmas theme, Halloween theme, Valentine's theme, summer theme, whatever. Oh, quick little tip, you guys. Add baby powder to any adhesives. Anything that's sticker and you don't want it to stick, you add a generous amount of baby powder and it will not stick anymore. So as you can see, I'm just kind of like measuring it up. I put it on for just a second and then I take a brush with my baby powder and I'm just going to do her ears, anywhere that I don't want her to stick or I don't want anything to stick to her, and then the rest I'm actually going to put a little bit of hot glue and put her down there. And yes, that's pretty much it, you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments section down below and I will be sure to answer them as soon as I can. And don't forget to like this video, share with your friends. If you do this tutorial, well, if you do this and you have a YouTube channel or anything like that, make sure to let me know. I would love to check out what you've created. This is how it looks already done. And I do add a couple of more things that you're just going to see in just a second. And I fill it up, but I don't show you that. I just show you it already done. As you can see here, it's filled up with all my goodies. I put paper clips, a little notepad, little wood chips, little washi samples, stickers, tags, you name it. I stuffed everything in here. It's super cute. Perfect way to send out friend mail and not spend too much moolah. And in the back, I put handmade with love, with Cruising with Crystal. I need to get a stamp or a sticker or something. But it's super cute, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And make sure to give me a thumbs up, like I said. Comments down below. Share with your family and friends. And let me know what you think. And I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye. Oh, by the way, I might be sharing some tutorials on how to create rosettes. So stay tuned for that. Love you. Bye.